Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called Supply Chain Event Management, or in short SCEM. A supply chain essentially comprises of a complex network of multiple stakeholders such as supplier, logistics service provider, carriers, port authorities, retailer, consumers, and few more players depending on type of supply chain. A plethora of events takes place across the complex network and involve multiple stakeholders in a supply chain. The flow of goods, money, and information occurs across this network. Therefore, there is a need for visibility through various touch points. Supply chain event management provides this visibility that helps aid critical business decision. So, what is supply chain event management? It is primarily manages the critical events across a supply chain. It provides needed visibility into businesses to proactively act in exceptional circumstances that can potentially lead to disruption. Therefore, supply chain event management is a key to optimizing logistic performance. Supply chain event management solution help businesses manage and track real-time location of inventory or shipment across the supply chain. Having access to this real-time information is critical because it helps analyze how certain event can impact the production schedule at a plant or arrival of a cargo at a destination and customer awaited deliveries. Thus, advanced supply chain event management solution can let companies monitor, evaluate, and plan proactively to address potential delays and better manage supply chain performance. This visibility into working of an extended supply chain can mean better control over logistic processes and is a key driver of building resilient and agile global supply chain network. Supply chain visibility challenges are never ending. We understand that global supply chain are a complex network governed by numerous external forces such as international trade and tax laws, geopolitical unrest, natural calamity, and recently pandemic. Managing production and delivery schedule poses massive challenge for every supply chain irrespective of the industry. Managing and navigating unprecedented challenge is a necessity for a modern supply chain to be competitive and survive in the face of adversity. Lack of visibility can occur at multiple stages such as at the source, in transit, in terms of data integration between systems or delivery. Controlling external factors that lead to such lack of information can be difficult, but appropriate measures and technology can eliminate these challenges for a better supply chain experience. Furthermore, no transparency within processes can make it difficult to account for damaged goods and determine when or how specific shipments got damaged. Liability issue arising due to delays caused by route or vehicle issues are also quite common in logistic process. So this visibility helps to minimize all these kind of challenges or disruptions to the supply chain. Thanks for watching. Bye.